welcome. Well, don't know, my name is Dominica. Everybody calls me Nikka. So, hi guys, thank you for joining. So, I'm going to be talking about this product. Yay! Wait, here. So, this. Hi guys, thank you for joining. So yeah, I got this one and I completely love it because I used to buying different types, and this one actually it smells good. I like what I like about it because the previous ones which I used from different companies, like different types of mats, they were completely open, and then like you have to just dig in, and then this one's more cleaner. You can just pump it like this and then it will come out, and then you can just clean this part, which is easier to apply. You can apply a small layer on your skin, then leave it for for at least 5 or 10 minutes, and then you can just wash it with warm water. What happens, it exfoliates your skin and helps to put away your dead cells and the toxins from your skin. So usually you do exfoliation once a week, maximum 2 times a week. You don't do that daily, so this is a must. You shouldn't be doing daily exfoliation. You can over exfoliate, which is not good for your skin. As again, I'll repeat it again, if you over exfoliate, it's not good. So you have to usually if you exfoliate your skin, you should be doing it at least once a week, addition to your normal routine. So if you have normal routines from your skincare and skin, as a wash your makeup, wash or toner or whatever, and then like cream, and you should have additionally to put exfoliation, which is, as I said, like mask or scrub, or and do that at least twice or once a week, no more than that, because your skin will over exfoliate, and which oh my goodness, I'm like starting. what will happen if you over exfoliate? So let me explain. If you over exfoliate, what happens is the skin because when you over exfoliate, basically what's happening is the dead cells of your skin are pulled by the toxins and improving your skin, right? But if you overdo it, your skin will like kind of starting having more blemishes and more acne, and starting become more red. So you shouldn't be over exfoliating. So yeah, that's just a tip, guys. Yeah, so I like this because it have as I said, because of the application. That's very important to me, because you don't want to have a mess everywhere, and then like you usually want to have a spatula when you're using these types of things. So I don't know, this one is actually better than the application. Definitely is way easier. And I tried this because I do have a dry skin and it cleans my pores. So yes, I do have pores and blemishes. Here, as you can see, I have blemishes, and it does clear your skin. It cleans our pores. It's left my skin polished and refreshed afterwards. I like how creamy it is. It's not like the completely dry and then it's dried out and then you wash it how other products are. This is very creamy, and it left my skin like more moisturized, and I like the smell too. It have a small scent to it, which is very nice, and it's yeah, I like it. It's very creamy, which I like. It's completely different than the other brands. When you're using a matte, it's usually like completely dry your skin, and then how dry it is, and then you wash it and that's it. No, this one it's extra creamy and hydrate more my skin. I do have a dry skin and combination skin, so I could say it's better for my skin because But I would even recommend for somebody who have oily, you have to exfoliate. You have to exfoliate your skin at least once a week. So this is definitely, I do recommend this. I do recommend this.